Sanibona bangani. Welcome to another fun Zulu rhyme. Today we are saying a cool one. Mina Ngis'cathulo. Are you ready to sing along, dance and learn together with me? Let's go. Mina Ngis'cathulo. Mina Ngis'cathulo. Bonke abantu banyathela ngami. Bonke abantu banyathela ngami. Manje sengigugile. Manje sengigugile. Manje sengigugile. Senginje, senginje. Senginje, senginje. Senginje, senginje. Senginje, je, je. Please restart the video and listen to this rhyme a few times and then you can try it on your own. I hope you managed to do it and well done, champions. You did amazing. Don't forget to say it again with your friends and family. If you enjoyed this rhyme, please press like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zulu fun videos.